We should be very careful. People are dying. And Kurofu, hey, obedient Abana Musrio, and I'm going to wait, this one too shall pass. But you hear me and hear me well say, Ebia now, dear, you have no hand never jogro, Yensusun Kasa. Yensusu yen kasa. See a near J. Ah, yes, sorry. Messi and Kurofu be this share them, and will warm more on my D. And Obi say, I know your strategy, or more point by point. Me person me bisa say, is it good? So we a gospel artist, eh? Oma wukunu e manage wana. Ana emprem bebre yen gospel musicians no. Ye krunum ena ya e manage ye. Me pa so obi nim obi na ta on friend man because me so aye post be. Obi nim obi na ta on friend man. Akwa ye me say wo industry we ya ye wo mu no. Say asem sia yetumi gina nipa baako achipe ni aye adwene say hey come bot me ye bebre was sa asem ba eye yentie both side yentie we asem entie we asem ebia na we wo senti a we ye se ebia na we wo senti a we ye se but ye de ni say social media na ye de agye ya ka say ye hu lawyers na ye social media no. Enti to me judge asema wo nipa no kra no wo tu fie no kra no ye kita pen ne paper ya judge kra de we yesim se gbem. Now so we add two things together you get problem my dear. Marriage enko and a ministry enko. The moment the power be adding marriage to your ministry you will face problem. The moment I will be adding ministry to your marriage, you have problem. Because one, marriage itself, no, it's a whole entity. It's a whole way forest, a whole world itself. Every day, ni mood be out sorry. Sometimes you don't feel like you want to have sex. Sometimes you want to have sex. Sometimes you don't want to eat at home. You want to go and eat at restaurant. Sometimes you want vacations. Sometimes you are not in the mood to even talk to your children. Sometimes to extent, I mean, you don't want to talk to anybody. Enti esanse wo kunu na manage untinu wo di free efie semutu ni nyina na matene kem o banyansafo bi a wotie me ne bia no onfa nyansasem a meka no mutu fi meka ware sem nti mutu no mubuafo mu ho na mu free fie e na matene kem ene ya fro so wo program nti mumienu ni nyina because there is something in you a obi aya obi anka sorry mumbrahye ade ne out na matene kem mafa instrumentalist atene kem e na musimu ko program Modu program national because both of you nti ase ni mutam nti no bibia ni wa nipa ne be gina stage so obeye obetumi aflo enti wo fifiri bra ni sunsum nyina brase e ma so no ye emotion we no se de nyame boy no ye nyame abode ekechire enti ade kekere bia e get to ye no spiritually na ade bia wo ye bia wo tumi mforo so se we nya ekunu a wo betumi akase o ebia amade in the car no honey I am sorry can we move on obetumi di agro bia be hihiem no we wadwune free that kind of pain na wo fe mu a eye wo yenti a wamu na no my dear wo di abowura ministry mu na wakwaje microphone wo ba no no kuru wo issue wo ne no wo problem na munya matena asema meka everybody be oye musician bia will testify whatever I am telling you. I am talking to you as a musician. And these are the problems that we face. And yama bibra ekoso industry. If we have great people, I won't bet to me at no much let's ni so a beboa. One, nipa ni for kojina stage in so aje microphone. Wa sha say to him. So smart was what you flow nyina bi ni ho a wo de befro. Enti nipa ni susum nyina abrase. Nyame apata na wo kunu ni abotere kakra. Wo beye instrumentalist di wechi nyina ra ehun se wo problem. So what you say? Into one beginning and start to order that. because want to be quench fire e wo fie. And I'm the atena care ni mu na mo di abo ewura solid dem hod mo. A solid dem ones munye do entrance pa na mo start say move fake. Enti moment pa mo fake no. Ade bia wo beye bia ne enkoso. Eye wo say na de we minister pa. But e bia na amfro. Now, enka mo be brashi asem na mo brashi asem na fe na ekodi sikasem. Ebia wukunu ye wo manager nti wukunu agiska no enti sesi o so obu afu nti hu se de obekwa ka kire wukunu se my dear so tua boy so yese nti na obu afu fie baby sir go and ask daddy now fe when introduce instrumentalist no pay no into your marriage enti afa sesa kwala ne be sha wade animu a this is when na ensem e wo fie no ekwa abontene. This is when idea you won't pass wagro ekwa bonting because you add your emotions to whatever you are doing. It is a woni energy wo fie na wo pomodi di ura so dem koton your mobile. The next thing is you are selling your husband, you are selling your wife to your instrumentalists because enyo babia no betumi ahye no ho so aka say ade me kudi ayemi mame fan chano na me komenim. No, and your baby, I am just being real to whatever it is happening. It's one or the ashenimo. It would to say, and Colania DH, do I am Bajumba phobia woman? No, a coach now one side. It will be any papa, Quasama, and papa no see a Bajumba fo, and come to you no bet to me trashy as someone. My dear, forgive me and let's move on. Now, Obana, Hoboki, Adiana Shenimo, Bama no Suni dear Shenimo, and Tiafe mediator number yet. Eye PA nu anasa manager no when ye bibi obeka se ko PA when ye bi o se ko manager afa program sudura e was a rehearsals eduru no because of the marriage abeshe ministry mu ntin afa wo kwa you have no choice e was wo kunu di wechi no no ko sha ho no na mo ye rehearsal me nka se wo ku manage we enyo but I am saying say you've combined two things together so it will affect your ministry. You have combined two things together and will affect the ministry, especially. Me say enkebeye se ukunu se sebu ye nyumtunia ma ukunu on pedwuma no wonye. De ye me ye say Ghana hanankasa ne ye wono. Ye ni obebi obetumi akasa ye wo record label bia. Record label na fo obi atete no introduce obi. The challenge is I any fear what you management in a bedroom. And no bedroom we are the second thing they say, ye professionals and my woman because I me artist me Empress me two way. Me my broche and mako woman mako nam snow you and the many be about 600 million all Ghana cedis. Me buy me who producer, me who CEO, me BBI me and me. And I say I didn't acquire friendship by friendship. It is a mimi de misika. Who expects a me from Misika and me say you to them? Now, what would see it today? Brana Beckham so bad managing me. As a manager, what is your responsibility? So, what's the who managing me, Empress? What is your responsibility as a manager? Manager, what do you say? You will see some affairs in now you're fine. You will see, say, Mejuma air kosu. What do you do, my breme? Na mama percentage. But nearby in Ghana, gospel artists no ne bekwa pay juma ne dia bawo. One no be kwa me see ebi no ya patch okra na yekogina stage no so e ye nchia mami enti gospel artist be kwa kofi adwuma na ba we expect so obetua no you are not a professional ni senka me Empress am te se dia na mo abaye na mo stretch out de betu we also signing artist ni na wie no omo obi akofa wo producer wo road manager kofa wo publicist bra kofa wo we bra yes. We need such people in the gospel industry. I am telling you, if we don't get it, the gospel industry will never grow because we are adding two things together. Say yenyebi na se me share red card label asia masign na mikunu abeye witness e dia mame. Everything about me, my costume, I was saying me stylist. I was saying me no obi obeye me tia mame, obi obe mame poboa, obi obe mame say if me brand any so asade ni nya was say ba me mfa me sika emfa ye, but in Ghana here we are not getting it. Too much criticize gospel artists no too much to extent. The be building gospel artists na ne ho be ya konom obi ehu no outside. No waka okay South Africa for ye program ti ye free gospel artists. Ebi ni hosa. Na ye me ya say ene producers ni tire baby am say gospel musicians here. Ungrateful. Omo you ungrateful. Yeah, you ungrateful. Ungrateful nintin ye ma ye krunum no produce ye krunum so produce ya. Ni ye emotions every awade ye nim dia be share adwuma nim. Enti sese aye kita two characters with the awade no and ye san ekita ministry no. Enti da ye kunu ama ye ni anje no. Sa da ne ye de kesi nyinara ebetena ka nim. Enti se producer na se ye ungrateful. Na se producer no so nye bribi ye. So who producer now who produce me say you record label na me sha see one. E wo say wo to me make sure say niam me ye ni nyina be boa me na be se Kristo na me di na chire no. Enipa na me bo ne hu dawuro na me ka na asem no. E wo say reflect wo ma brabo mu. Yakwa akobo show who producer wa charge wo ne me assign contract. E bia wo say me bo show bi a say na wo de betua me. Enti so matena se be 6 months na wo ntua me ka sabe. Ensuo etrap chene a wo wo. It's most of the producers need be nama gospel musicians need be any axe. Any a different that obi be say different ways no. And yes, I dey fama ye kunum. But ye kunum ni ye dey ama woman. It is a different story altogether because ye kita two characters ni ye dey nam sesi my dear. Nyame patana se emba bemu a then woni pa na wote awade na se na wo ton nwom no. Wa brabo nyina aye different thing altogether. Now wo kita enkola ukita ukunu ese kita ministry sa kwantu o be shemu a aye 4 na wo tu kwanya wo gospel artist one na uja obama no se wo tu kwanya wan na woni ni di nkra wo tu kwanya wan na woni ni di nkomo you see house bebre wo industry ni mu a I mean we need to look at it, we need to tackle it apart from say ebia enipa ye nipa ye be fom but ye fom na ye be fom na nkire se ya to ho tie ya ka ho wo to wa wo be san sore or say if I fall I shall rise and no nkire se wo dem. Do you get me? Enti ama ye ministry no ene ofa ha gospel musician my dear, let me tell you this Nigerian people ni na ye sure me na mo gire mo hu dia mo nya asesi a mo to be ground to mo nkasa mo kro mo nyum twi nyum ane mo sori a mo to nyum kra sisi wineness no me come asem bebre wo hon mo a wo kru na e manager but wo mo kru ni wo mo different la yo wo mo kru no me adwuma. It's a hard time be adwuma ye na wo gire onye adwuma no fa koma panye be adwuma ye how many times let me tell you gospel musicians say man and man. Do you know what they do? Gospel musicians and men. And yeah, said you have no idea. You have no idea what they also go through. Or bad dear bar. And was said ye kidding. Bama dear bad was said ye kidding. But my dear, let me tell you, both of us we are human beings. Nimi ye nipa, honey, me fum. And you hana me babet's natural send me your Holy Ghost. Me fum, your feelings, me fum. It is a me fuma. Me expect wo. Na wo se wo gina ho a hweye nya me se hweye na wa hwe aso se nka wo be hye me kuran. Enhwo bi ahye ase emfa numuti. Enhwo bi ahye ase emfa breakfast. Enhwo bi ahye ase emfa wo dinner because hweye na wo gina ye no wa hwe ase because wo de wo hwe ase wo si nyina bebubu. Eye na ye dwuma ye ne de bia me kasa ye bonsam adwuma no yade ato ye ho enti attacks e wo mu no mama you have no idea say David to me to nyom ama so sunsun fie wo ne mutumi to kwa mama that means we carry something ye kita biribi. Bible says and David was a skillful man. So if you are a gospel minister, gospel ministry, you need to be very skillful. It is a nipa no nyame di adoma chede ni ache no nyame pave we be kwan nyame se me de one ma ahefo me de one ma mpanyefo. You need to use your conscience, you need to use your mind. What gene no calculate money nya adwuma. Na koyema Esther will right to say and ko to me friend mpanyefo bi behind ni kunu na ko no am kasa say me pese nka me ko hene ho na nka me ne ko kasa. My dear, sanko fresh ahemfo no am kasa e ka tro so pese am kwa ko mu bu na bem. There are certain things when you want to do, my dear, you just need to talk to God. Enipa na woni ni ko susu wasam ho na wo fi say wafun wo awurade anim to woni ni kwa ko susu wasam ma me wonya wo obeyo wonyawa wo bekum because so na David etonyom ama huhum abetina ne mu firi ne mu but wonya David wo beku no hi no why you ready so beku David because no hu ade foforo bi won ho say when you gospel musician bi ahunu say you carry something nyame the glory bi ato so nyame the apam bi woni nyame akwa apam bi so I was say woman who said these things this kind of attacks so many things it will come but it's up to you. It is up to you to build your faith up. This is the time, man. And what's up will be a genuine say or bad, my dear, you cannot fake if you're a gospel artist. Hey, who fake is saying who better? Most I am telling you when I'm just being real. Say nyamesi ene wo maye just 1 second. Hey, give me tissue. Or maye 1 second, just 1 second. So, Miss Remo, hello Ghanaians, hello gospel musicians. I beg of you, if you know that you are in your marriage and you are not ready, you want to leave your marriage, I am giving you 2 seconds for you to leave. Kanyame no abete ne pepe. Oh yeah, problem see that. People are dying. I am telling you, emotional stress kunkrofo. And krofo bi wo bribrim na make say wo mo hwe me, wo mo the fake account hwe me and they know what I am saying is true. They know me see enne and krofo bi awade and na awade wo mo te ho no, awade na ye soldier esi wo mo kon ho. Awade nti wo be di ministry ato ho. Ne kunu ko ampeso wo be to ni nan kura pie. I am telling you, me see enne nyame se dia nyame etumi ni angels edi nkomo abonsam etwa mu a wo be jan say nyankopon o say nyankopon me chia wo ene nyankopon bisa abonsam say have you considered my servant Job? Have you? That means there was a meeting because ti nyame bisa no. Say, have you considered? So whenever you take the things of God, remember that there are so many attacks that you're going to face. And baby, I would go on. And one year, baby, attack you. So when I get confused when people say, see, there, gospel musicians, and all my yes, mommy, any po. Mommy, your feelings so. You did buy that to say, you did buy no. Mommy, Banchia wo fufu no, you did be. Yenye Holy Ghost ya fuma mo fan cheyen. Cause nyame na ye som no. O se emma wo bi nyaten. Ya fuma mo fan cheyen. Emma mo hwe ye mra wo ye som fan kasanti adoma nyame de a cheyen. Ya fuma mo fan cheyen. Se ye wuti wi a wo hwe me wo secret. A wo secret kita wo dendende age wo wuo mu 6 feet no. Maame, ebia me mentumi ankura me die mu ye. Mentumi anhwe ne ye. Enti me gya me die mu ana wo wate o na wo bonsiri ye. O sere. Ebia me die metwam ho, but ebia na wo die wontumi ntwam ho. Maame wo ti obi asam mmosiri he. Emfa handkerchief nya hu dede. Nipa na fom po afa kye no. Wo tia wo na so afa kye ne nipa nsehwe. Enipa nsehwe. Me si ene se nyame sorry ama nyame apagya ne sa se Angel Michael no ma just so presence say Angel Gabriel or say presence say Angel Raphael I say pray because e ho na ye nyom to kwa I say presence say Angel Empress or say presence say let's see pagya yen say we are I say okay I want to do reshuffle say ho na say me obeke bia ye nyom to I say come on go ahead enti nyame ye no afre Ghana gospel musicians na ma just so yes Ghana gospel musician na geometry just wait yes oh you aso ye change over me say nyame no wo change over na nkofo aka say owura ho ne ewie people are dying my dear bebre ye fake bebre ye fake bebre ye social media love eti enhwe no ho na se nipa no ko problem ho a embehwe ho emfa embedina tem emfa begina tan enfenu ne hwe picture bia wo twa ye to Facebook to Instagram enti wenya problem a nti me pato nti so me pato ge azikra wenya problem enti ge azikra wenya problem iti ayana ye made ne ye say gospel musician bi nya problem ese eya haram so for kura nya problem mami so for nya problem enkrofo nya problem yeti ayana Abraham ni hega oni hega anwo o ma wo Ismael obia wo problem ade bi esi bia hunu say sipen enti jai say wo yi aten jai say wo yi aten. And sometimes I get so confused to extent say yeah na bisa me say yeah na the esi wo gospel industry generational curse na den. I don't really get it, and nobody is talking about it. Nobody is ready to call us and say, let's get that together and pray. Let's lift up a prayer. Let's lift up a worship. And to phone in combo, you can't go that way. Your friend is baby, sister match or cry for us. Independence Square. You can't go that way. Let's lift up a prayer. Young bumpire, young country yammy, and Kawum so near some bank. Was away. Hey, be my pen and paper. And my pen drive. And I'm more change. More change audio swan. Answer nyame apam hontuma. Me ka bibia tro he. Wa wutuo bia obesuru obisiri he ebeye DHL ebeba beda wo fie. Me Empress me share me dem na me bompa ye bio. Enti me se me ma se me dem abompa ye. Na ma bompa ye ka kire urade se urade ma sensi a menim de obi so hye ne dem ebo. So we should be very mindful when we are attacking people, when we are attacking issues, especially when it comes to gospel ministries or issues. We should be very careful because you don't know what that person is going through. Ebia nipa na swallow ade na che. Ebia nipa de nipa bekenti waye din. Waye na dwen se menkasa. Enti menkasa no se nyame nya resha for anu osi ho. Bebre aware e was sympathy. Shian was ye dey say solid them oboaboa shabo yenya to eyi nyame apata ye rent die baako de ma odia no wada ni prayer warrior wada ni praise and worship leader inti afani ye do sofumame by force ni ya wale e bi kura na be ma no onye wukunu. I beg new artists never me sromo they shouldn't make the mistakes that we did. They should be very sensitive in the spirit. Emma woman young from swa ye mistakes ye bi. Ask God if this person is your husband. Bomba ye manyami ni pakuno hu. Adian chira awo dayem. Don't just go in for marriage. Don't just enter into marriage. Sex and kasane yesusu wadie. When it comes to sex, e yesusu wadie ye didi agro bi keke. So you ask God, any pay a minute ko shiemu a minute ko we, and any pay minute ko we, and any pay free war. Hetikoji, thank you, honey. Any pay a midine chi, and any pay radi free war. A radu me crying, or ye me kunu, or ye me film padie, and wobe to me abuame. No! I am not saying no biatro. I am not saying if your husband is helping you in your ministry, it is wrong. No, but I am saying, say, you cannot match two characters together. Oh, to me, fine. Me say, okay, solid. Na se sofo obano or ye sofo bano. I show the real mukunu. Ye ma chances so I just a Father's Day. Sana bema sofo no so no e Mother's Day na be preach because two masters enter me international them. One na be because we be ka say left a higher new we be ka say north a higher she. Do you get it? So if say ye emotions e the ram ministry e be hardly ye ni anyway bia level bia e da wo be ka say sa level we na sesi a e wo ho a Ebaba lifting gospel arts be we have so many people omukita gift and there omunisken to omunyum cry more. Omunisken be chia violent and yum no cry more. And crofo cran shake. You to put it down crofo and shake or on the way then or new more time cran work shake. Honey, people are going through hell. It's a young generation by baby jawa 2, 3, 4, 5 and you move 4 to mommy. Me say ade no me say dia me hwa ade na ekwa koye generational curse. Say dia me hu ade ni si fafa. si ansoli enimpa ya mampa ya ma industry no am mampa ya ma gospel musicians. Something bad, and I keep on saying the things that I am seeing from last 2 months to December, it is not favorable for gospel musicians, and we need to wake up. Yadache, yadayen sorry, yadayen sorry. Bakikrini nina wanima yema, enima asafono, endima wamaino, because that is the only thing that can pave way for us: worship and prayer. Yet why yede? It is the any man see for 2 cedi and 3 cedi and you stock credit and yet 1 year bisa. What is going on? What is going on? What dear baba? Ayawode. What dear nam over? Who bisa? What is going on? What is going on? Fake people all around. Yes, me and your problem or gospel industry. I like it because me madame jata. Enya meka. Adie enya meka. General service. Me pesa who to me ever artist be no to me producing no. Jena, a producer artist and a building artist in do baby and come find you be a producer oh Jena. When you all be natty and mama come find you be a producer. Young guys no young guys no. Mo building up a label. Nipa no na sign contract 1 year 2 years because nipa no be share adwuma ma acha ye 2 years when hu adwuma no so. I am telling you. Who to me or being to me show label as 10 years da upa market. Acha na ye 2 years de obenya when ye wie. Now I establish nipa no. Na me bre akwakọ pe mi sika ba be ye enwom akọ record. Mako yima ho, mako kewa ho, mako sha ho, mako kwesike ho, no mako akọ record. Mako akọ ye me mastering. Mi wi a mako akọ mi CD promo CD. Mi massa pressure we adwuma we nimu na me meba be ye se adwuma we nyina awie na wo wahia me na wakasa opese o manage. What are you managing? Who manage be na wo manage manager wuniska. What are you managing then? Go to America and go and see record labels are pushing people to metal na nam we onu anode di sika yo friends and way na say Jometo. Mon she me ni papa Jometo betumi aka say o manager na tam ni sika dia hye ni mu. Mon friend ni no ma me na mbisa na asem. Record label no wo mu no. On che me artist na onu ni no di ni sika. Anasa artist ni na be produce ni ho na mo be di. Na makobo no mama percentage. Ye from Empress. Me nkoto nyu so me hu wie. Na me fa mo na di. Ko pe program ne mame. Na me ma sele wo copy program wo kopa ba wo percentage me the amount eye 10% am the mama 20% wo you cross all you scam am but here in the case Ghana ha no wo artist ne kra ye fra wo na ebesi usuo na wadu usika wo ebesi usuo a obi wa no afre ne manager me pa cho menya program bi onti gina no omonka one ni kawia wo de ye fa ne say ye ni kunu no afre ne kun ha ni ya afre me program bi gina no omonka into one nipa ne beka ni kun no one nipa ne beka ni kun artist ka no e bi omo kan ya ko sis e bi a 10,000 80 10,000 ni kun calculation we hey our leader ministry and dangerous eti ni kunu aka mienu no abom we hu 5,000 10 okay ye be man instrumental is 2,000 into ye beka 3,000 yes mum be joint account me nka say joint account ye na joint account bi wo wa e ma pressure joint account bi we be ku joint account bi wa nyame apata we di be fra oh me Empress Mr. Adoye onu po ni time onu ni politics no ye nto onu wa yese onu ni time kwan na be hwema diem Mr. Adoye papa ma semu a na just asem na ekọ no anu odin na me kunu abem no abeka chem se maame aha no mu se menye ni se dabi ade we ya wo kire why a mistake maame you we free wo. That is what my husband does for me and my husband always encourages me ade na akoye ni yie me shamata ade am de a kire no na de hu ni say because onu ka chem se me nwa ye fa na bibi yem cause musicians for bebre omo kru ni mu nya romantic omo to be nkantre omo ye maame nhuefo oh ene ye wonyama bebre centuries bebre wo ho enti de ye wo feti ho nipa kro ho wodi nipa kro na echi ede ti na wonyama wo kru ede ti na wonyama wo yere yenye enti amade na kwaya ade soa Ni on can't chire. Oh, mommy, you look so good. Oh, why you fainting? You no go do softening. Oh, wow. I know you started. My daughter, you look so beautiful. Oh my God, what a dress. Na can it him. Am I the affection? Na can it him. It's a can it him, sir. What do you feel? Watch. Gospel musician, nyama mu feme nya bi ni o, sister. Enya bi ni o. Watch. By this time, the pressure. Sister. Nipa ba ku benu aduane wo hwe nkwala homework mami wo yo de adwuma beka ho wo di rehearsals abeka ho wo di ebia meetings a wo beko nyina nti se wo nya nipa papa bi ma na di wenu nipa papa de so obedi wenu no oni record label wo se nipa no wo nyansa wade no ho ono so to be bedi wo nko awachi because sika ye de aduane ye de it is the oye ne say waka artist for abom what you say one year number 1 2 3 into do ada wo kro hia no onya time ma because ono artist for frafre no na say won turn what on ana won turn. Let's all come together as one people and lift up a prayer because whatever it is going on enya kwa I am telling you, and I keep on saying, me say, change over, Sanya, me see, and the way change over, won't, and Kofu be change over, and Nakasa, me say, as for about for now, be a surprise. And Kofu etia, not just only gospel music, and Kofu etia, what you will say, see, me no wokasa. I say, Yami, okay, you know, come, friend of money, remove your man, I say. Nase, Yami, Kasa says, your mamma, tia, wale, me some reshuffle, share. Kofu be a reshuffle in Nibini, be pretending. Bebre pretending. I don't know baby some Empress. I don't know say ukasa badwum mu say I first na me yakwara but na manyini. Enema bi wo na first me ya na me nim say ye mistakes. Ebia bibi wo wo ya wan kasa kra wo nim say ye mistake. Wo what nipa ne di to extent say wo kan obi bia kire nipa no. Wo ministry work no you need to take it out. Ye free awade mu. It should be different thing. Say you would do fear you be treat you as a wife, not as an artist, as a wife. Ukunu bedo, wo be respect o. Me ye obe mun say ye adwuma na wako aba. Me ye o say de ofa nyame adwuma no wo fe wo se wa fe adwuma pa. Eti eye nyame adwuma. Eti wo ko awako ye adwuma. We should be real to ourselves. Me enjoy hypocrisy no. Wo ko ye ba eye adwuma na wako ye e na wo de aba. So what you say? And I mean, you need a husband to talk to you as a woman. Ma, you okay? Oh, Kojarina bra. Oh, Nekosi said, oh, and Neko instrumentalist, way and bonio, and you are consanka katia, a year flavor, a wawa yemuna, a man yet dead, because when you consan and yet dead. Into a new woman, I yet dead. But ye by your back to you, maba. If you would do on the Yama light off. So for now, I just want your Obama Momo. It's why I just want so generator neda. Watching ya maka 30 minutes our time in a person. No, I saw generator, no, the wall, I praises to worship, or do I offer you? Well, we are do I administration to own and then upon us and to do any about 1 o'clock. Who couldn't see us here? When him soften the strategy and what they will. It also do the wabre, bisa, Sankulani didi, Sankulani ashe. Mommy, you cannot add these two things together. You will fall. Cause we nipa. Wa bad time bien ni wa sebe. Wa say wo problem wo fie. No ba obekwa acting we me say me to me tena me to me mu wie na me wi am tena me kemu na me su ti sa akwala. Ma to nyu me wie no. Because my ninja into me tena kem me su sa mbedu fie no ma paper manim ya na me dey make up na me dey papa so ma ba betine fi because me person. You see there are certain things industry we need people to address it. Call all the gospel ministers, sit us down, pray with us. That is what we need now. Honey, people are dying inside, but you have no idea. They are pretending, so you are not seeing it. People are dying, and and change pandemic in character didn't who no heaven. Our dear be any Eka heavy one, eka wadi bi enu ontika, wadi nu unjima. Ka rapture ono okodakra wo bompa erade npa me mbabede misrewo erade ma rapture mbro se na asem mepie nti ma rapture mbra erade me so ma rapture nti rapture ka da yo sale nu ehu se ni kunu da ase kai la wo koda da onim grofo eto one ma omo bompa ye se niam bi si keke no obi be se onfanje ni credit mpa ne baby mfanfa my dear enyo bia ne pese wo betena awadiem nu wakasa awade a metimi sa awade ne de no wasonju obekasa mefiri awale no why eye mususu nka bebi wo mu fie nyo bia muti gospel musicians asem eye munya abotre ne wo feelings since I metiri wo your feelings oh you wo feelings it is a what you be asem anya abotre nsa na wakabi susu dwen who say hey say ye me sister ye me nua oh sister say owo mebusue mu a hey say nka medi nachi mami ye enye Christopher ye amu aye amu comment no mo ye wan amu mo ye Buddhist aye amu ko social media na aye amu pay 2 cedi ni 3 cedi e di comment no na pese bisa mo ko asole we asole be pa mo nyina so mo ti asole aden na ya mo yesa na kwa yem se pandemic ye ba ye die enye Allah wallahi aden susuka o na bi wo fie me say momma yen kambom me Empress na nyama bebre ye me ya wo industry no ho and I have personal issues with certain people but now I have moved on in life me yi nyama bebre free me mu because me hu say enye worth it and won yi se me do me nua na me bie kwan ma na me so me hu chi no be bie kwan ama me se me hu se me nua bia ye mbre na me so ni nsa na me ne gina ho bompa ya wo gina yi a me so me gina yi se me hu se me nua bi edi awreho na me kɔ ne nkyɛn akokan kuranshansam de kyerɛ no no nya awrehwemu nya hope bi sɛ nyame wɔ hɔ a me so se bibi to nya wo be use the same word ababeka mama me ka sɛ me twam me sofo bi na me kɔ no wɔta ma me kɔ divorce nim ɛna me kɔ ka kyerɛ sofo ne sɛ sofo makomenti bibi ye me sofo bibi ye me sister sofo tie me no mu sɛm nyina o tie bia me ka nyina o wi onim asem o ka cha sɛ it is well hey ka bibi ya yem me sɛ sofo ade ha me da me nda makomenti ana me die mrika ba be ka kyerɛ o se ni me fem o say it is well sister it is well na me ma so me back so na mbese kwa I am showing you a testimony me back so na mbese can you imagine say and check in the 1 year 2 years and a rock na hit here boom say hookpa kakpak boom me wo hwanom na me wo abrochire so fi frame me sada me wo Belgium o frame me sana so for e dey accept o say oh wan ba me wo me say so who say o say accept na me so me kra ka me 2 days ameba o so and o be sesa me flight ama me na so fi say ni me sika no me sesa flight and na me buy yo so fi ne kan asem o kan asem makoma mewo Empress bi yemi say na walete me man ne kan ni nyina wiem se sofo it is well same nyafa sa me ba be kire ma me ba be ma obi judgment there be me nsam fata se me ma obi judgment there be nyafa sa me ba be bonkure bi sa wo yire wo ye wo den me ba bebo kure baby so ukunu wo ya wo den me because me hu said ya na monije it enye me Empress me ma said ya ne say me ba baby so wo be fault na mo word no use because time na me wo mo word do use on the same word na me use man it is well and na otumi hu me anu atiem it is well and na ye de ayemfi so enhwe wo bi ahwe ase ho emfa mbonsiri hehe nkopɛ ho atale white emfa ko ye Thanksgiving no because my dear would you say hit rock na hit wa won me kasa nyame anuonyam wo sinyi na bedwiri ebi obedi de ebo na happen na etu enti wo say oh wenye twakam wenye akam bi wo no but ebia na wo de wakam no wo nya nan po na wo de esom we should be very careful when we are judging people enipa na wo judge ne hweye na wa hwe ase enipa na wo judge no esikafo bebre wo problem masa Obi de sika won to me that me can wo hwe me or the fake account hwe me onim the America. Me hu so wo so nti na me ka kire no. Me brain to me that. Obi wa about to for nani gusu say ya na wada. Ade chi an ansa wo tumi ada. Hwe. Emma wani mbri obi. Emma wani nji obi ahwe ase ho. Se gospel musicians na ye beja ye yawo ni ya yewudi atu baabi ni yakabo me se ya yewudi aye di nyina nya bebi awo course ni nyina ye nkrofo ye yivite wo mu be mu e se nipa no onya betena wo bu afu okunu bu afu ana mutena kemu iti konkonsan ka first nka mu mienu mu bedi no na mu hwiegu wa mo the gospel artist ne to a third person wate no akobo obi amane on to be no ye adwuma nche because ono no ye adwuma nyina o ya apprentice nti anche obepon ne ho nti wote wo ni ye adwuma so no wakwa record enti nyame ampata ono nya problem pa wase wode nyom na aba out enti komo bia mu de ye bia no wode wo se e komo hwe ensem bebre pie nyina ye nkomo nketenkete bia ye die o e ye nkomo bia ye di wo ye ka mu because of your emotions ensem bia na ke ni se ye ka se ya adwu mu da wo fan ene ye firifie ba akomato ye mu wo ho eni je wo ho ene ye kwa me say wo driver ye adwuma gospel musician bia wo driver me chief driver me drive ko baby at the whole Ghana obia woni me bia bi same me ni baby ade wo se me drive ko am ntumi nko Empress me ni anwan papa me sister woni driver bi na me patro edi 2 years asaka na kwape nipa for gospel artist for na me no kasa no mo te dia me kanase me sister woni na ya adwuma 2 years pon no mane nko jane kwa mane nko because o di 3 years pa wa madam tie 1 year no dis yade 2 years no dey aye finishing ka 3 years wo be ye wo madam ono be ye work and pay mumma mani na ho mumma mani enna ho mumma mani no enna ho nyankomo bia ne di wo ka me se me nya ko pe mitumi bie me wo kula e wo me ka ni na me mitumi bie na phone ni no me ja to se gba o se o ma fo that we abrochire ko minim ni pefre pa so me se abrochire ko na me di ashem sister eni ehu a enya time me boafo ne mama we ehu na nti me boafo no omoa me nipa wo boa me Empress no se wo a wudi bechi ne mama we ehu na nipa ko no omoa me wo tu ehu na wo na obebie kwa ma nipa na boa me enti me se me yufu abrabo ma enti me tumi nko manim. Oh, it's a hard time. I was here, yeah, rich after one. It's a missing nipa no ni ye adwuma. 3 years, missing wapano. Oh no, yeah, work and pay. After 3 years, I missing me one day. I sat down. Me sakio bia, me you beadi. Me man no me say me diagro. I say my sakio. Because me do what you ma me be nya koma yale. Because oh no, me ye adwuma 1, 2, 3 pe not nipa na soro. O frɛ rehearsal ma. It is an answer who crew woman. Emotions so when I make sure say 2 characters and you juma. But say who crew you out of a juma now yena. Whenever your husband calls now. Discipline, power be to you because it's too hard to so who crew often. One better be on who can phone so. It's a moment to be people see who crew best friend. Hello? Okay, and then mommy so on will meet. They have no choice to come. They have no choice. What the authority in Mahukunu? No one Mahukunu today if you know this up. And Monyamne the Abako. Tis what be doing quite some want so will be do what she. Now, me will frame in Medina Yadoyan to suffer now frame. Umba me yamumun treme. What I say? Because the dinner Yadoyano. Momo and near chile. So we should yamma ya what yan separate. Yan free. Yamma our yan relaxing. Say your corner, you go outside now, ye was see your joy with ye. Yamma you couldn't your husbands. Love where and who or door uncle do something true. Because sometimes we the ladies, we the women in the ministry, sometimes we are too down to extent say person for Mike cry a besum. But if you have a husband that supports you, that pushes you, oh honey, you can do it. Oh, with your mom corner mombra. No way you kakra no dia support. But I go yes sika na mo ko chene no na mu yuma no we dey bre. sister. Sika so be so obi ani di mu sister yes na wo calculate you. And na me kwa ye enwum ya me ba ye. Afa na wo sesen because what to me say what the visitors wo mu akwa abrochi aba sika wo de ba wo hu so. Please, let's be very mindful when it comes to marriage issues. Let's be very cautious when it comes to marriage issues. When we kebia very me de bia me kasa me ade a me mfemu no de bra me a me nkada me ade a me mfemu no Gina ade a me mfemu no me wo de bra me a me nkada me kan ye de na me nya afrem because me nya experience ni bi experience no asema wo bi sa me say okay bia ifa ne say Jaguar utwe me mentena Jaguar mu tenya afansa me ba be definition wo Jaguar ho ni ntumi nya bi me ni sa hoden no but wo be sa me say oh what na car we bi mu da ebia what na design juku mu da what na design we mu da what na ebia Land Cruiser mu da no no metumi abia ma no aka because matena mu bi da it me ade bi ekoso wo abrabo ma me Empress me fie bi mu da me ndi hu komo promoters ne manager nam yesremu mu de yesremu montana senam building a record label pick somebody artists bebre wo say almost all the gospel artists obia na producing who from myself to Mama Americansa to Ohima Messi to a whole lot obia John Beto akese brempo Nino I say odi akese brempo na na de akese brempo na na de most of the gospel musicians na na o ma de it ono ko pesika ne ba no de be ye nwom no na wutina se so on pesika ne mbra na on mbra no konkoto nwom no koye hilala offer no I mean, person go to Jesus overdo me family lady. Then why am I me family? Most of us any road manager. Most of us. It's artists now they be paving way. Akwa she shouting on Instagram and then there foreign artists no mudin komo na fe the rebel say na fe relationship na building no sa man they say the man ye didim. We are looking for, record labels. Yeah, betu. Jesus, you love me too much. I'm what the boss. And your record label no chance. So now your record label no chance. Priyo se prayen and your record label no chance. Yet to chrome ho. My mama fire. Yet to chrome ho. Empress me sees ya me fire. Yet to chrome ho. It's because musicians more da. Yakaka musu mani bro bi me mani bre hwan. Nwana den na wana mani bre. Mani bre no kra na me ka kire. Mani bre wa gede. Yeti krom hawo. Esi okọ radio station. Gospel musicians ungrateful. Me kwa me de be ye nwom. Ungrateful. Aba seme. Mba seme. Ama ato. Me krom kasa be ka ama ato. Every day gospel musicians. Every day. Yeah, my sweetheart is watching me. Oh, Mire Finidi. I forgot the name from Australia. Hi, darling. You see, every day we have issues. Every day, gospel musicians, we have issues. Do you know why? Because decisions be why you take care of my dear. We have people. Now, we have gospel, kind of say bloggers. Yeah, fire your gym. Number boyo. They will help us. Ye fa ye hunjim number boye. Ye fa ye hun enye den enjim number boye. Honey. Ye fa ye hunjim number boye. Ni abre. You go and pay money. Nyame ampatama wo hit rocker. Said ye be show story ye mbesho. Na mo gospel musicians na ma fa eyi me person me fire. I want to be on track. My sister, I have changed. Yes, I have changed. God knows I have changed. Come on, fire. But God knows I have changed. We should be very careful. enkrofo wunya wo issues a wo ko mo nche ne wo mu kodi nkomo no mesra asam ba mo nka ncho mo so wo mu nya busuafo no mo bedi wasam ama asam dane ne saa ma me nane ne sei na me nka ne yi kofo na unu wo mu Erade Dennis me pass ma kana ntumi nka ya mpasa me kam ntumi nka Dennis anse wonam we ya frɛ no we begina so service nko the fake also the original account e dey Dennis anse wonam we ono no produce no ho one no ye ni bibia A to Z esi woto obeye 15 albums so 20 albums no onam ho sa Dennis anse one no produce no ho meboa one no produce no ho one ye ni bibia. It just imagine say obe produce no be ye ni bibia wie na wo manager wa ba beginim road manager wa ba beginim ye kwa usimintu aka wan fa gigi bia mba wo wan fa gigi bia mba gigi bia mba yo na me makwa akobre na me de aba na usimintu mintu aka de abede enum na wo na koto ya enum na koto ya mdwa so dance mo me nyon koto yi. So just imagine the way a nipa ne be feel say na dia na nipa oye me basenke ye record labeler only say no, I'm on contract, so me koye program bad the money goes to the company pays me my own one de be dia mami ebia every month my programs for ebia 60% eye me dia into 60% in the month no say me call 4 programs 60 ya calculate e da my account me ni benya issue. Me no nya issue. But me no be husband and wife. Ejuma. That mama sex crowd no benya problem. Oh, Jesus. That mama sex unim benya problem. Because ebia me koto nyum na maba. Ebia attitude a odi share me ama feelings ni nyina atiko. Enti besi say na me de ama wo. Enti eno sa no wa start conclude. Enka ebia nka obetumi kura na me akasa ma bibi kura jinja debi. We should up our game. And never be because I think say I want see a leader almost fraying abena ruti ye president if you say kabana kedwuma we abena ruti aye ni nyina say we ja auto sanitizer abena ruti aye na say obeton sanitizer and we yin ani why na say asem we won kan me we amema no message anka by no nka mo friend pa ye pipipi on we no mbeka say Empress me me hu say yes me ye problem ma chatu me asembia ni wa me metumi aka kire wa me nka nkire o mekwa ko ka kire obi sa na mto obi oni mbie na emi ade a me metumi aka kire o no eno na me ka kire obi de metumi ka kire o me nkoka me sister penyo o se ka jama me ka kama asem ompe nti me nkoka asem a ye bisam ya metumi enye den enka ho asem. We should be very careful. People are dying enkurofu owo. Hey, obi dia na aba na musiri o. And na mubo say wait this one too shall pass. But you hear me and hear me well say. Ebi ada wo dia wa ha nyina be dwogoro. Yensusu nkasa. Yensusu yenkasa. Si yeni agye ayesre. Me se enkrofo obi di hihye dem. E wo omo aye di. And obi be say enu ye strategy. Omo point by point. Me se nyame sane na hingwam no oba no gospel musician so sure dem say ya nyum to am say yes daddy na nyame atem gospel musician no ma just daddy I say wo be say we reshuffle and you be say nkofo de nyesa ne hu bi na ata no e hodwo aka woto yes, one him the obey or be any one honey, a so good in as a honey as a good hey, sister, honey so good, what did that? I miss Nako, Nego and I win, Debbie, and tree, Nego and I and my now. Let's be very careful. Because I never be why yakasa, hey, who didn't commodity, who cassa to do. Onipa na wudi no common sister wo she baby bomb payo ye very careful. Dia wo ka ne wasam na watena wa wudi no wasam gbagbagbagbagba wudi nchina e bia tu eyi wadua ne so wudie no kan hunu say so wo sore no lift up prayer nyame no wodi nipa bone che no wo se ye papa ye kura to sentuma gofi wo no awurade nanim enti se ye o se se wonu hu na wo pemu ka wo bone no awurade ye no kura ni na tiri ni se wo de be che He's just to forgive you if you only confess your sins. Nti ebia wo